Hi means Health Informatics and welcome to Hi-Fi, which is Health Informatics in 5 minutes. The video is brought to you by Simple team, Health Informatics Rapid Design Lab at PHFI, Indian Institute of Public Health, Hyderabad. Please read the disclaimer carefully and then watch the video. Hi, welcome to video episode number 9 for software demonstration of Project Simple, in short for Disability Assessment and Support Made Simple. This is a video series in which we will demonstrate step by step how to use the software that we developed for assessment of several types of disabilities. The software is best used on an 8-inch tablet. In this video episode, we will demonstrate how to do the test for assessing permanent physical impairment due to cardiopulmonary disease. Welcome to the home screen where you can select a variety of locomotor disability assessments. The highlighted option as shown by the blinking cursor is the forward arrow to move on to the next slide. Please click. On the slide number 2, the highlighted option as shown by the cursor is for assessing permanent physical impairment due to cardiopulmonary disease. Please click. The current slide is divided into 6 parts. For all tests, the participant should face the assessor in sitting, standing or lying on the bed position as it's convenient for the activity. The modified New York Heart Association subjective classification should be utilized by the assessor to assess the functional disability. Position of assessor for this test is standing or sitting at the test side facing the patient. If a patient with cardiopulmonary disease is asymptomatic, such that has no symptoms of breathlessness, palpitation, fatigue or chest pain, grade 0 or 0% disability is clicked as shown by the cursor. If a patient with cardiopulmonary disease becomes symptomatic during his ordinary physical activity but has mild restrictions, grade 1 or 25% disability is clicked. If a patient with cardiopulmonary disease becomes symptomatic during his ordinary physical activity with 20 to 25% restriction, grade 2 or third circle is clicked. If a patient with cardiopulmonary disease becomes symptomatic during less than ordinary physical activity with moderate restriction, grade 3 or 50 to 75% disability is clicked. If a patient with cardiopulmonary disease becomes symptomatic even at rest or mild exertion, so ordinary physical activity is severely or completely restricted, grade 4 or 75% to 100% disability is clicked. If a patient with cardiopulmonary disease gets intermittent symptoms at rest, such that patient with bronchial asthma, grade 5 or 100% disability is clicked. The assessor should note that only one circle needs to be clicked, and when clicking, the assessor will notice changes in the transparency on the clicked area. The assessor has to click the back arrow in the bottom left corner to go back to the previous slide. In this episode 9 of our video series, we have demonstrated how to conduct the permanent physical impairment due to cardiopulmonary disease assessment. The results automatically stored in the database. The software will guide you to the next set of tests. At this point, there are 2 options. First, continue assessment for other joints or other type of disabilities. Or second, if permanent physical impairment due to cardiopulmonary disease is the only one to be assessed, then exit and calculate the disability score. Please click the middle diamond icon once to bring you back to the joint index, or few more times to bring you back all the way back to the start index. In the Start Index, please click on the Finish button to arrive at the disability score. For assessing other joints and other type of disabilities, please continue with assessment. Or maybe take a break and come back to watch. Thank you for watching this episode. Project website is www.simple.in. The project and this video episode was made possible by a grant from Grand Challenges Canada. If you have any comments, please write to us at healthinformatics@iiphh.org. Also visit our website www.healthinformatics.in. Thank you.